So the last part of this video, what we're going to do is we wanted to make this output nicer. We didn't want there to be the square brackets, the quotation marks, the comma. Really, you printed the list, which is fine, but we have learned tools now that we can make this look way better. So when we're usually working with lists and we want to output the values in a nice way, this is an ideal opportunity to use the for loop. So if you recall, the for loop, it iterates through the list and then we can print things out. So let's do that. So we already did all the work where we created the list up here. The list is the total order. We just now want to use the whole printout piece where it prints out nicely. I can do that down here. So rather than having the order here, I'm going to get rid of this. And now I'm going to use a for loop. So for, let's say, order, and I'm going to say I'm going to say user order, or not user order, sorry, total order, because of course that's where our list is. We're now going to just print. So if we wanted to print the order, because if you recall how for loops work, is that this works so that back to the list, order is going to be every single item that ends up being generated in our list. And we're going to print out each order. So each item in the list is going to be printed out, and it'll be printed out vertically because it's going to go through the list over and over and over again. So let's try this. So I'm going to now run the program. We are going to slip up here, and let's say we're going to put in, let's say Dea. Hi, Dea. And here are your donut choices. We're going to do jelly. Would you like to make another order? Let's say yes. Let's do lemon. Let's say yes again. And we're going to do chocolate. And let's do one more. So let's say yes. And let's do, let's say another chocolate. Let's say no this time. Say thank you, Dea, for the following order. And then we have jelly, lemon, chocolate, and chocolate. And there you go, a much better printout. And again, it will just list all the items, as many items as they order. So I hope this has been a great opportunity for you to see all the wonderful things that you have learned already with programming. So we're utilizing your print, of course, with some formatting. You're also using loops. You're using your for loops or your while loop. We also were able to use lists that you have used a lot so far as well. So I hope that this is going to help you move forward with future assignments and feeling the confident that you can do projects very similar to this.